Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how President Trump's proposed tariffs could impact prices across the USA. From groceries and electronics to cars and medical devices, we'll explore the potential effects on your wallet. First, please give a like and don't forget subscribing to the channel. In this video, you know how the President Trump's proposed tariffs on imports from Mexico, Canada, and China aim to protect American jobs, but could lead to higher prices for groceries, electronics, cars, and medical devices. Next, the average American household might face an additional cost of $2,600 per year. These tariffs could also cause supply chain disruptions and potential retaliatory tariffs from other countries, complicating the economic situation further. So, let's get into the video. First, what are tariffs? Let's answer it. Tariffs are taxes imposed on imported goods. Trump's proposed tariffs include a 25% tariff on products from Mexico and Canada and a 10% levy on Chinese goods. These tariffs aim to protect American jobs and boost domestic manufacturing. But how will this affect you, the consumer? Let's start with groceries. Mexico and Canada supply a significant portion of the U.S.'s agricultural goods, including 90% of avocados. With the new tariffs, the cost of avocados and other produce could skyrocket, leading to higher grocery bills. Next, let's talk about electronics. Many of our gadgets, like smartphones, laptops, and tablets, are imported from China. The proposed tariffs could increase the prices of these items by as much as 45%. This means higher costs for everyday tech products. The auto industry will also feel the impact. Cars and auto parts imported from Mexico and Canada could see price hikes, making vehicles more expensive for American consumers. This could lead to a decrease in car sales and affect the overall economy. Medical devices are another area of concern. Approximately 75% of U.S. marketed medical devices are imported, with many coming from China. The tariffs could lead to higher prices for essential medical equipment, affecting healthcare costs. So, what does this mean for the average American family? Experts estimate that the proposed tariffs could cost the average household around $2,600 per year. This is due to the increased prices of everyday goods and services. Additionally, the tariffs could cause supply chain disruptions. Companies may struggle to source materials and products, leading to shortages and further price increases. This could create a ripple effect throughout the economy. On the flip side, proponents of the tariffs argue that they could boost domestic manufacturing by making imported goods more expensive. This could lead to more jobs and investment in American industries. However, the overall economic impact remains a topic of debate. It's also important to consider potential retaliatory tariffs from other countries. If Mexico, Canada, and China impose their own tariffs on U.S. goods, it could hurt American exporters and further complicate trade relationships. In conclusion, while the proposed tariffs aim to protect American jobs and industries, they could lead to higher prices for consumers and potential economic challenges. Stay informed and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story.